Hey Victoria, I'm going to give you a little how-to video. Make it quick for you, nice and easy. Ignition right there, normal thing. Always starts right up instantly. Your light switch is right here, and that's off. That's low beam, or excuse me, park. That's low beam. And if you go all the way over to the edge, that is an automatic function that does not work, neither do the high beams. I do have a high intensity driving light set up out front. This is the switch, and there's the light, and it is bright. It will light up the forest for you when you're out driving. It worked really great when I was going through Northern California coast. Remember to always turn that off. Always turn the headlights off when you're parking it. There's your rear view camera screen, and that comes on as soon as you turn the ignition on. Really good view to the back with that. It's mounted right above the license plate. So real quick, here's your transmission. It's all pretty normal there. Reverse, park, neutral, drive, 2 and low. And then you got an overdrive on and off switch right there. Your radio is a new Kenwood. I have it so that you can turn it on without the ignition switch on. Just push it once, hold it in just for a second, it'll fire up. There you go.
The band's shirt to the band's concert. Why wouldn't you?
And that switches between modes. And then when you go to shut it off, just push your finger in and shut it all the way off so that it does turn off. That will also wear your battery down a bit if you're not careful. It's got a USB plug there too. There's a plug for an adapter for USB plugs. Your heat and air conditioning controls are right here. All very straightforward and simple. The air conditioning blows ice cold. Push the button in. Bam, there it goes. This is a card reader from Japan. They just leave them in there for some reason. I don't know. Kind of funny. And the glove box has the owner's manual for the stereo in it, and some of my Bearded Beach Boy stickers. Oh boy. And there's also a USB plug out here that you can charge things with. So kind of cool to have that. Let's see. This mirror is non-functional, really. I think originally they had a camera mounted in it. Got a little bin up above here, and I'll go over all of these switches with you in just a second. I don't want to make these videos too awful long on each one. So here you go, video number 1, okay? If you have any questions, give me a shout, and I will go over them.